This is an original World War II belt buckle. This is a German belt buckle with the leather tab here still attached. This is the original paint on there still. You can see that most of it has rubbed off, and the eagle has been worn down pretty good from use. They made a pebbled variant like this with this texture here. And this is another original belt buckle that doesn't have the pebbled texture on there. Looks like there's been a field repair done to the leather tab here, where the soldier used, it looks like electrical wire of some kind, or maybe some chicken wire also. Right here it looks like it might be electrical wire. Anyway, this one's a talker for sure.